Deadlocked. An unexpected twist in the controversial Karen Read trial as the jury said they couldn't reach a verdict earlier this afternoon. At least not just yet, as the judge ordered them keep deliberating. Good to have you along tonight. I'm Dan Janey. Patrice is off. So the big question is, what's next? The Night Team's Leanna Falk is live in studio after speaking with our legal analyst. Leanna?
Yeah, Dan, this jury has been considering the fate of Karen Read for over the course of several hours and 4 days. The fact they have not yet come to a conclusion suggests the controversy outside the courthouse is being felt inside as well.
In the Commonwealth versus Karen Read.
The fourth day of jury deliberations in the Karen Read murder trial began at the Dedham Superior Courthouse.
I hit him! I hit him!
As a growing number of fans and foes wait for the fateful decision.
I could not sit there and let an innocent woman be framed.
And the case climbs closer to a possible mistrial.
We have been unable to reach a unanimous verdict. Clear your heads, have lunch, and begin your deliberations again.
The judge sending the 12 jurors back to deliberate and determine whether the Mansfield woman is guilty or not guilty of killing her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe. At this point, we have no indication from the judge on the status of those deliberations. Instead, I took my questions and concerns to NBC 10 legal analyst Mark Dana.
What's going on in that jury room right now is that there is a minority of people that were persuaded by the defense that either she was framed and that there was a cover-up.
Dana says come Monday, the judge will likely issue an Allen charge or special instructions to help the jury come to an agreement.
You're the ones that were picked. You need to go in there and come to a verdict. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't.
And if it doesn't, Dana says the judge has two options: force them back for a third time or declare a mistrial.
I would be surprised if people changed their positions and came back with guilty.
A show of strength from both sides of the courtroom, according to Dana.
You had really two very different theories on what happened here. And all the defense needs to do is get one or two people who believe that theory, and you've got a mistrial.
The jury will return to the courthouse on Monday for day 5 of deliberations. Live in studio, Leanna Falk, NBC 10 News, 19.